In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily use the demo trading feature on the platform BYDFi. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on BYDFi, you simply have to go down to the first link in the video description, then you will get to exactly this page right here. And as you can see, you get an exclusive welcome bonus with up to $8,100. I'm quickly going to show you how you can get those. Directly after the sign-up, you will get $20. Then after you've made your first deposit over $100, an additional $20. And then after you've made your first trade for at least $100. So these are the very easy to get bonuses in here. And then down here, you get the big bonuses after reaching those certain deposit and volume trading milestones. To create your account, you simply enter your email address right here and set a password or use one of those options, and then you're ready to go. Once you have created an account and you log in for the first time, you will get to this page right here. And to directly get to the demo trading feature, you simply go up here to derivatives and click on demo trading. Then you will get to this page right here. You can see it completely looks like the normal trading platform. Everything looks exactly the same and you can try out all the features without having to use your own money. If you sign up with the first link from the description, you will also automatically get $50,000 of demo funds in here, and you can also add more demo funds if you want to trade more. And now you can completely risk-free try out the entire platform right here and test out all the features, which I highly recommend. If you need more tutorials on how to use the platform, I have many more tutorials on BYDFi on my channel. Don't forget to create an account on BYDFi by using the first link down from the video description to get up to $8,100 in bonuses. And if you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.